How to download imo app on phone. If any day any of you are a very mobile user out there and also an imo user and you would like to download the imo application on your phone but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. Here we are showing the steps which you can follow on your very Android device if any of you have the Android device. Now first of all, you have to launch the Play Store and the application on your mobile device, because Play Store is the application in your very Android device from where you can download the other various kind of applications. Now in the option to search apps there, you have to search IMO there. Now after you search IMO there, and you can see an interface like this. Now you can see the very interface like this. Since we are just going to download the IMO apps, now you have to tap on the option of the first, that is IMO video calls and chats. Now after you tap on that, you can see the option of install and you have to tap on install. Now after you tap on the option of the install, you have to wait for a while until it just downloads onto 100%, because until it reaches 100% you have to wait, because if it do not reach 100%, the very application is not downloaded and installed on your mobile device. And if it reaches 100%, the very application is downloaded on your mobile device and your problem is solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.